Good day, Math Warriors!
How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing great because today we are going to immerse ourselves in a mind-filling video. We are going to solve
derivatives, specifically the second derivative.
Good day everyone, today we are going to find the second derivative of this equation. When seeing this kind of equation, use the product rule. Find the derivatives of each factor and put it under them. And then pair the quantities diagonally, just like how you cross multiply. And then after that, you simplify. The calculus only happens here. And next would be the algebra. And after that, you simplify it and combine like terms. After we're done, we're going to look for the second derivative. Copy the answer of the first derivative and derive it again. And this is how you find the second derivative. I hope you've learned a lot today. Thank you for watching.
And that's it, Math Warriors! I hope you've learned a lot in watching this video.
Always remember that whatever you would do today would always affect the outcome of your tomorrow. Thank you and adelante!